Earn money, get freelancer jobs in home. First, subscribe channel, click bell icon. Let's start. Number 199 Designs. This site is set up in a bit of a different format than typical freelance sites, but it does work in the design context. Clients publish a contest, and designers submit their work as their application. The client chooses the design they like best, and the designer gets paid. I'm sure you've noticed the downside: if you don't win, you don't get paid. However, it can be an excellent way to build up your portfolio at the beginning, and if you'll be doing work anyway, it can be a great resource. Number 2 Behance. This isn't a freelance job site per se, but it is something you need to do now. Like, right now. These kinds of sites help designers showcase their work, and because the site has a much higher DA than any personal website you'll put together, your work has a higher chance of showing up early in the search engine based on the keywords you research. It's a must for designers of any skill level, and something you need to get set up right away. Number 3 Dribbble. See above, another way to get people's attention and get your work in as many places as possible. The other benefit to these sites is that you'll get feedback from other designers and potential clients on your work. Feedback is crucial to improvement, so accept it openly. Also, browse the other designers on the site to get a feel for what kind of projects you like and what you may want to work on in the future. Number 4 Angel List. If you've swallowed the startup pill and your dream is to someday work for a cool, up-and-coming company, start your path with Angel List. Startup companies of all kinds search for talent on Angel List, from established to brand new, so you can get a taste of the startup culture and possibly get your foot in the door for long-term employment. Number 5 Art Wanted. You got art? They want art. If you're more of a graphic designer or digital illustrator, or even if you're pretty skilled already on the side, you can put up your masterpieces on Art Wanted. People can browse them by keywords, and there's always the potential for connecting with clients. Number 6 Design Crowd. This is another marketplace similar to 99 Designs, with somewhat fewer designers active on the site. They also have contests, but pay out lower amounts. Those are actually both advantages for new designers, as there is less competition from very experienced designers, and you're more likely to be selected. Number 7 Envato Studio. Envato Studio's most popular category is logos, so if that's your thing, start here. They're also known for very fast turnaround and an easy-to-use platform, both win-wins for beginners. Number 8 Coroflot. If you're a bit more experienced but need to break into the freelancing world quickly, this setup may be the best for you. On Coroflot, you post your portfolio, and clients post the projects they need. The difference here is that Coroflot is the go-between, setting up connections between the freelancers and clients themselves. Number 9 Smashing Magazine. This is another great job board, and it's a great resource for both developers and designers to utilize. It comes with the time cost of sorting through the postings yourself, but it's easy to find freelancing jobs with the time commitment you want. Number 10 Crowdspring. This is solely for designers and creatives, which, translated, encompasses every type of design from general graphic design to logo design. It's also free for freelancers and very easy to sign up for, no waiting list or invite code necessary. Number 11 Working Not Working. Founded by 2 world-renowned former freelancers, this extremely high-quality freelance community accepts only a very small percentage of applicants who request to join their platform, though the level of projects and pay, once you're inside, can lead to well into the 6 figures in freelance income if you're staying busy from the gigs. Their client companies like Apple, Facebook, Google, and more continually post for designers, artists, photographers, producers and advertising pros. Subscribe channel, click bell icon for more informative videos. Thank you for watching. Link are available in description.